Turn me up. In the earphones. In 2-5, old heads, murder kings for setting them shots. With trays bigger than their guns, my brother took this spot. Let me clear it out. In my eyes, they all did it. All them pussies guilty. I feel it in my spirit.
For you, Mika.
Thank you, Auntie.
Just know your pain. Called Rest in Peace, the poem for Mika and I am my brother, Jim. Like a baby, even a child, I've had you close to my heart. Never ever did I expect you to be so painfully torn apart. Jig was not only my brother, but my son also, my friend. I still ask why, oh why, did your life have to end? When they took you, Lord knows, they took a part of me. My soul is still aching and longing to be free. My heart is also broken because part of this was you. It's time we showed our love for our fallen soldiers too. I'm so full of love, but also full of pain. It's been over 13 years, and the pain remains the same. Mika losing a brother through death, violence, and hate left us both with lots of pain, and this I can relate. 27 years ago, like you, I've lost my brother too. So you know it's only one thing for us all to do. Stay strong, keep the courage, and hold your head up high. And know one day we will join him in that big blue sky. So get rid of the hate and start a new slate, and let's keep hope alive, for I know it's the only way that we have to survive.
Thank you.